Hello, welcome to techanswer.com. Today in this video we'll see how we can add highlights on Instagram without adding them to stories. So there is a requirement for a few Instagram users. So we received a question something like this on techanswer.com. So if you have similar questions, you can browse through techanswer.com and you can post your question. See, click on ask a question and you can post your question. Okay, getting back to the tutorial. First of all, there are two ways we can do this by adding highlights without adding them to story. I'll show you both, and the first one is a bit hard and the second one may be easy and works for many Instagram users who have huge followers. So okay, open your Instagram account. If it is public, just make it as private. So if your account is public, you can switch on this option under settings and privacy, and if it is disabled, if it is public account, make it as private, and you can make it as public again once you add highlights after 24 hours you posting the story. So okay, coming to the first step here, I said it is a bit hard because you need to hide the story from all your followers, so this won't work with the Instagram users who have huge followers. Click on your profile and click on these three bars and click on settings. Okay, click on privacy and click on story and hide people from. So here all your followers list will be displayed. You need to tap on each and every followers, but if you have 1 million followers this won't work. So we'll see the second trick. So by hiding, you if you post the story and after 24 hours you can add it to highlights, thus you're adding highlights without adding it to story. So we'll see the second one. Okay, tap on to post a story. See here. Okay, here I recorded a short video clip and now I'll try to post this and add it to highlights without adding it to story. But without adding it to story, it is quite impossible to add directly to highlights, because once after 24 hours we can able to add it to highlights. So what I'll do is I'll click on close friends. Here here's the trick. Close friends in the sense, for example, this is my Instagram account which is for tech side, and I have a personal account. So what I'll do is I'll only choose only one account which is personal account, that is also me. Or you can choose a close friend of yours, a very close friend of yours, whom you can share this story. So you can search for that, anyone, and you can add them as a close friend. Once you did that, you can tap on close friends and the story posted to that single person. So what I mean to say is you can choose one close friend and add them as a close friend and post this story, and your story gets posted. See here, close friends. When you tap on that, only a single person will be visible. If you have a account like that, like personal account or some business account, you can post to your personal account or you can post to your second account, something like that, and so it is only visible to you. So when you can add the highlights, you can just select this and you can add it to your highlights and make your profile look a bit better. So in this way you can limit your story to yourself without adding it publicly. So I hope you like this trick works for you if the first one is really hard for you. Thanks for watching.